In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy iCloud storage on your iPhone. Okay, let's say you want to back up your photos and files on your iCloud storage and your 5 GB iCloud storage is already full. Then you need extra iCloud storage. I'm going to show you how to get that. Click on your settings and click on your iCloud account right at the top here. First, you need to set a payment method. So you are going to click on payment and shipping. So when you're there, click on add payment method. Here you're just going to input your card number, your expiring date, fill in your security code, and also fill in your billing address. So when you're done filling this, click on done and then go back to your Apple account and click on iCloud. So the original amount of storage iCloud gives you for free is 5 GB. When you want extra iCloud storage, just scroll down here and you're going to see get more with iCloud Plus. Click on upgrade to iCloud Plus and you're going to see the different options available here. You have 50 GB for this amount per month, 200 GB, 2 TB, and so on. So just select which is convenient for you and click on upgrade to iCloud Plus. So this is going to bill you from the card that you inputted in your payments, and then your iCloud is going to be upgraded to Plus.